Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to secure our domains by adding a SSL certificate. Once again, part of the original footage was lost on a SD card I misplaced, so I had to refilm bits and pieces, which is why some of the footage will have different account information. Go to your AWS console and search for Certificate Manager. Under Provision Certificates, click on Get Started. We're going to request a public certificate, so click on Request a Certificate. Enter your domain name both with and without the www and click Next. We're going to validate the certificate request through our DNS, so click on Review. If everything is correct, click Confirm and Request. Click on Export DNS configuration to a file and open the downloaded file. We have to make 2 new CNAME record sets with this information AWS has provided for us. So click on the first record name and copy up until the first period. Go back to your AWS console and click on or search for Route 53. Click on your hosted zone and the domain name. Click on Create Record Set and paste the new record name. Choose CNAME for the type and go back to your Excel sheet. Click on the first record value and copy until the last period. Paste that in your value field and click Create. Do the exact same thing for your www record, except for the name. You'll copy until the second period after www. It does take a bit for the certificate to be issued, and in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours. So go back to your AWS console, click on Certificate Manager. Once the status turned from pending to issued, we can move on. Go back to your console and search for EC2. On the left-hand side, under the Network and Security tab, click on Security Groups. You should have 3 security groups that Elastic Beanstalk created for you. Click on the first one with the description Security Group for Elastic Beanstalk Environment and click on the Inbound tab. Click on Edit. At the moment, you should only have 3 rules, 2 HTTP and 1 SSH. So click on Add Rule and scroll down to HTTPS. The source should be anywhere and click Save. Click on the second security group with the description Elastic Beanstalk created security group blah 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 and scroll down and click on the Inbound tab. Click Edit. You should have 2 rules, 2 HTTP. Add another rule and add HTTPS. The source is also anywhere. Click Save. Back to the left-hand side and click on Load Balancers. There should be 2 load balancers. Click on the first load balancer and click the Listeners tab. Click on Edit. You should only have an HTTP listener, so we need to edit that. Under the Load Balancer protocol, change the HTTP to HTTPS. Under the SSL certificate, Click Change. Choose a certificate from ACM. Choose the certificate for the specific domain if you have more than one. In my case, I only have one. Click Save and save. Open your browser and type in your domain. You may have to type in initially https:// then the domain name with and without the www. You may see a small red X on the right hand side, but that will go away in up to 24 hours. In the next video, we're going to tackle the image, JavaScript, and CSS, so I'll see you there.